Wishing you all a happy, healthy year ahead. This is an even mixture of Arteza, Phthalo Blue, Winsor Newton, Phthalo Turquoise, and Blue Iridescent from Josonia. This is a 50-50 mixture of Deco Art, 24 karat gold, and Pebeo, high viscosity, copper, metallic copper. To consistency that I'm using here, and as you can see, it's fairly thin. There's no mounds at all. It goes right down into the paint. So I'm going to pull everything aside now and wish me luck that this comes out the way I like it, the way I'm hoping it comes out. Let's see where we're going to start here. I think we'll start out with some of this black. Okay. Whoop. Started out with the Amsterdam black. Follow that with some gold. This is a 12 by 12 square frame canvas that I'm using. Yeah, my gold mixture. This is my blue mixture. And here is my silver. Oops. I don't know how I did that. Okay. Go back to using some black. Black. Okay. And my gold. That gold looks absolutely gorgeous. Love that Deco Art Extreme sheen. And here's the phthalo blue with the phthalo turquoise. This is an absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous color. And okay, and some silver. And I'm going to go back with the black around the edges. And okay. And let's get this blow dryer working. I love how this came out. This looks gorgeous. That looks totally amazing. I love how this came out. I think I'm going to be calling this the creation. Creation of the new year. Love the little black hole in the middle. I'm going to take you in for a close-up now. I love how this is sparkling, that iridescence, the metallics, just everything about this. I did take the idea of this from Pouring Your Heart Out. I saw her earlier today and I said, I'm going to try doing something like this. It's a different kind of Dutch pour. I've never done anything like this one before. Thank you so much. I appreciate the idea of doing something like this. I am going to do one pour a day from now on, so please subscribe and hit that notification button. I'll be here every day. Have a great day. Have a happy new year. Thank you for coming. Please stay safe out there. See you soon.